guys, welcome back to our channel. We are going to be opening the Sonic packs from Wendy's. Here's a drink. Let me open this. Got the Kiki Nookies and got this. We got the pack. Here's their trading cards. Let me just get that over here. Here we go. Here's the back if you can see it, guys. Let's open this bad boy up. There we go. We got the pack. Open it up. Got the Sonic cards. Let's get it out. Come on. We got the Sonic pack. Let's put the lid back on. Put this to the side. Put the drink, the pack, the suit to the side. Okay, let's open this bad boy. Okay, we're just going like this. Come on. Okay. How do I open this? Hope the camera can't see you. Can the camera see you?
Don't know. Can it?
Wait, guys. Oh, it can see your body.
Okay, here you go. There you go. Okay, enough.
That's the right angle. Okay, let's back the back. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, what is it?
This, a crocodile. See ya, guys. We got alligator. We got bee. That's a real one. And let me put that in our pack. We got Sonic, basic. We got the diamonds or knuckles. No, wait, we have posted something. And we got knuckles. Got that again. That's all. Let me put the back in here. We got shiny. See that shiny, guys? So I'm all in the. I need to go and get a soda sauce of me eating. Okay? Wait, guys. Here, guys. Yum, 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 yum. Let me try this. Very good.
What do you rate it?
It's like 5 stars.
5 stars?
And I rate 5 stars.
Okay. What about the French fries?
I'm gonna try more.
What about the French fries?
Okay, I'm gonna try. A 4.
4 stars? Okay. How about your drink?
What is it again?
Fruit punch.
It's fruit punch, guys.
5 stars?
What? And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the comment. Tell us what cards we opened today, or we opened. I'm gonna have more chicken nuggets and